Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and we're looking at a 2020 Ford Escape SEL front-wheel drive. It's offered in white metallic tri-coat with a sandstone interior. This vehicle is offered by Lou Fusz Ford in St. Louis, Missouri, with a sticker price of $33,245. Here we see the Michelin tires. We'll talk more about that on the other side of the vehicle. As we move around to the back of the vehicle, we see the LED taillights, rear spoiler, rear washer wiper. We have dual exhaust, chrome exhaust tips. There we see the EcoBoost engine badging, the roof rails. We also have the power heated side mirrors. They're a manual fold. Here we get a great look at the 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped with 225/60R 18-inch Michelin tires. As far as the headlights are concerned, we have headlamps are a Curtesy delay. We also have auto halogen fog lights. As we jump into the interior, we have split fold-down sliding rear bench seat. We have a panoramic Vista roof. We'll open and close that here in a moment. We move around to the front driver and passenger area. We have a leather-wrapped steering wheel with fingertip controls. It's a heated steering wheel. Well, this interior really pops. Great look at the center stack. So we move around and take a look at the rear passenger compartment. We have a 12-volt power port. And now we get a great look at the dashboard, the center stack. The steering wheel, again, with the fingertip controls. And then we tilt back and get a look at this panoramic moonroof, which just is amazing. Really opens up the vehicle and lets the sunlight in. So here's the functionality of the panoramic moonroof. You can flip it open. Then you can also open the front. The back part is stationary. And then we have a sunshade. And here we show the sunshade closing. Really makes a big difference in the interior of the vehicle. So here we have the one-touch up and down windows for all four doors, driver, passenger, and the rear compartment. Great look at the center stack. The dial for the transmission. Instrument cluster. Automatic headlights that we already mentioned. We have a memory power seat. It's a 10-way driver seat. We also have memory for the driver seat. The steering wheel is a tilt and telescoping. It's manual. Here we see the fingertip controls for the steering wheel. Again, it's leather wrapped and heated. There we have the center stack. As we punch through, we have navigation. There we see the navigation. We have Ford Copilot 360 Assist. We have the rear view camera. We have a reverse sensing system. Secure code keyless pad, so you can access the vehicle without your key fob. There's your key fob. We have the intelligent access with push button start and stop, remote start, 8-inch touchscreen with a sync-free app link, AM, FM, MP3 with 6 speakers. There we see the center console, nice and deep. We have electronic automatic climate control. The owner's manual is in the back. We'll show that here in a moment. So we have a power liftgate. It's hands-free liftgate, and the storage you have is 34.4 square cubic feet of storage space with the seats up. There are the carpeted floor mats. We have additional power port for the back of the vehicle. And we'll turn that around. You'll see the owner's manual there. And we hit the power lift gate as it closes and get another nice look at the back and side of the vehicle. As far as the engine, it's a 1.5 liter EcoBoost with stop start. It produces 181 horsepower with an 8-speed automatic transmission, which gives you 27 highway and 27 city, 33 highway. Thank you again.